Hello everybody, I have one more exciting announcement for a new class coming this term. Many of you may not know this, but in my last year of homeschooling, I campaigned and was elected the Youth Lieutenant Governor of Texas. And I got to preside in the actual Senate chambers in the Texas State Capitol building in Austin, Texas. It was one of the most enriching experiences of my life. And now I would like to give the same opportunity to my students. So for the first time ever, I am opening up to my middle school age kids and also for the first time, high school age students. Mock government with Mr. Austin. In mock government, students will learn and abide by Robert's Rules of Order. They will write bills or legislation that they will present in front of their classmates or delegates. Students will also get to run for office like Speaker of the House. They'll give campaign speeches. They'll even learn to make a campaign ad. In my classes, we have students from all different faiths and political perspectives. This class is for everyone. Get excited, everybody. Mock Government with Mr. Austin is coming soon.